Watson researchers work inside IBM's Thomas J. Watson Research Center, the headquarters of the company's research, in Yorktown Heights, New York. Photo credit, Scott Eels/Bloomberg. Many of top minds in artificial intelligence are locked up in places like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. But for old giants like IBM, it can be hard to get access to top talent in such a hot field. And despite the vast amounts of marketing money the company spends on its Watson service, the company's AI efforts have not been without its bumps. A recent story this week from health news website Stat, for example, detailed just how far IBM's Watson marketing hype in cancer treatment has outpaced reality. IBM is looking to university researchers for help. On Thursday, IBM said it's investing $240 million over a 10-year period for a joint AI research effort with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Called the MIT-IBM Watson AI Lab, the partnership is supposed to bring together 100 academics to focus on 4 areas of AI research: new algorithms, hardware, social impact, and business applications. In algorithm development, the lab will try to figure out what comes after deep learning, a family of popular machine learning techniques. This partnership supports basic research looking for new algorithms that go beyond deep learning, though deep learning is an important tool we'll use, said Anantapi Chandrakesan, Dean of MIT School of Engineering, in an interview. In particular, the lab will focus on areas like training AI algorithms that don't require extensive supervision and exhaustive manual labeling of data. Right now, many deep learning systems require people to go through and label each piece of data, like, say, that's a car in the image. In hardware, the lab hopes to move beyond what's popular in AI today, namely, graphics processors usually made by NVIDIA, and start experimenting with processors that don't rely on traditional chip designs, such as quantum computing, an area IBM has already been pursuing. We're going to work on inventing new devices and materials that go beyond the use of conventional silicon transistors, said IBM Research Vice President of AI Dario Gil in an interview. Although IBM's research group is spearheading this new research effort, any advancements could be applied to Watson. Chandrakesan said the lab will also encourage new startups to develop around the AI research. IBM is currently undergoing a massive effort to rebuild itself into a company based on the cloud and AI. It has bet billions on Watson, but the business hasn't slowed 21 quarters of consecutive revenue decline. In its second quarter earnings, posted in July, the company reported a 2.5% year-over-year decline with $4.6 billion in revenue in its cognitive solutions business. It's hard to see how this lab will help IBM catch up with the competition. IBM is coming up against massive investments into AI-specific research groups at Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon. In a recent note, Jefferies analyst James Kistner argued that IBM is simply outgunned compared to its rivals in AI. Scarce talent is a major issue in the artificial intelligence market, Kistner wrote as quoted by Barron's. Our analysis suggests that IBM is not likely to win the war for AI talent. Follow me on Twitter @Ottilie or send me an email, attili@forbes.com.